डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। प्रीवियस लेसन में कुछ चीज़ें जो हैं वो हमने जो डिस्कस की थी उसमें से कुछ रिमेनिंग पार्ट हम अब डिस्कस करेंगे एंड देन आफ्टर दैट हम इस वीडियो के अंदर पैराग्राफ राइटिंग को भी डिस्कस करेंगे। हाउ टू राइट अ पैराग्राफ. Make sentences by replacing words and phrases in given sentences that we already have discussed. This is the one that we already have discussed in the previous lesson, and now the remaining part is going to be discussed in this. Then we move on to recognize that a simple paragraph is comprised of a group of sentences that develop a single main idea, support the topic sentence, and use of appropriate conjunctions to join sentences. You know, students, we already have learned about conjunctions, so I hope so that you know very well about conjunctions. Let's discuss about first, to complete the previous one that we already discussing, that we have discussed about in this previous lesson. We discussed about quantity, quality, and origin. Now we are going to discuss about how to use the words in making sentences is the size. For example, Sarah, you look at the concept board. Sarah is taller than Saima. For example, we are talking about the size. That she is taller than this, she is taller than this. So these are kinds of size adjectives. I like that big old antique car. We not cite the big one if you are describing the size adjective of that car. Then about origin, I bought this dress from supermarket. For example, we define a specifically origin in which we have bought this dress. Now comes to Saima visited Karachi last month. Now here I am describing the place where she visited. That is the origin adjective. The last one is the color, in which you obviously define she has a red post box. I bought a pair of black shoes. So these are the words that the kinds of adjective words that we are used in our daily life. So this is all about the previous part that we have discussed. Now move to our new topic. What is the new topic that we are going to discuss? That is a simple paragraph. What a paragraph consists of. What are the guidelines that you need to understand before writing a paragraph? Look at the concept board, students. For example, for writing a paragraph, first you need a title in which you have to write it. Here there is, for the sake of your example, that is already available on your book, is on page number 10. Write a paragraph on good behavior using supporting details. Make use of correct joining words such as and, but, because to join sentences. You know that such as, but, these are called conjunctions. Yes. Read the following paragraph and start making a new paragraph. That is the topic, that is good behavior. Now, you know that the topic is obviously revolving, the whole paragraph is revolving around this topic, that is good behavior. First, you may have to create in your mind the main idea in which obviously you revolving the whole paragraph. For example, we should respect our elders because it shows our good behavior. Now students, this sentence obviously explaining this topic. So whatever you writing, create a main idea that completely describes the title. Now move on to supporting sentences, obviously describing that in the support of that topic. For this, I am writing just some cues for you in which that might have help you in writing the paragraph. For example, show respect. We should respect our elders. For example, if we respect our elders, our younger ones can too. Obviously, we should respect others. We need love, admiration from others. Or you know that our parents always taught us to respect others. So these are the supporting lines. Now we discuss about the difference between an educated and illiterate person. We know that the educated person knows the values, knows the respect, how to respect. He knows how to respect the elders, how to behave in a good manner. So these are the differences that we need to discuss in it, that support the paragraph. Now there is a proper ending. How to properly end the whole paragraph of that defines the topic. That is, for example, like that is just for your help. Everyone deserves respect in life. This is the wrap-up ending of this paragraph. So what you need to do, students, you may seek the help of this sketch of making a paragraph, and then try to make a paragraph in your own words at home. This is all about today's topic that we need to, I'm just revise the whole lesson. What we have discussed, we discussed the prior parts about adjectives. We discussed about origin, we discussed about color adjectives, we discussed about size adjectives. That is the remaining part. After that, we discussed how to write good, for example, how to write a paragraph. If you're given a topic, how you can write it in your own words. So there are some guidelines for you that might help you in writing a paragraph. So this is all about the today's lesson. I hope you get so much help from this. If you find any kind of difficulty or any problem, you might seek the help from your parents and from the teachers too. Thank you very much all.